In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blocked contacts in PayPal. If you need to review the people you've blocked in your PayPal account, the process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and on the main account area. From there, look for the Send and Request section and click on it. This is the area where PayPal keeps options related to sending money, requesting payments, and managing the people connected to your account. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. PayPal occasionally updates its layout, but the option names are usually very similar. Once you're inside the Send and Request area, the next thing you need to do is click Show All Contacts. This opens your full contact list, which is where PayPal stores the people you've interacted with or saved for future transactions. Opening the complete contact list is important because the blocked contacts option is found from within this section, not directly from the main dashboard. After the full contact list appears, look for the option labeled View Blocked Contacts and click on it. This will take you to the part of PayPal where your blocked contacts are listed. From here, you'll be able to see the contacts you've previously blocked and review them as needed. This is especially useful if you're trying to confirm whether someone has been blocked or if you simply want to manage your contact settings more carefully. If you don't immediately see the Block Contacts option, take a moment to scan the page closely, since it may appear near the contact list controls or in a smaller link style format depending on the version of PayPal you're using. And that's it. To find blocked contacts in PayPal, you go to Send and Request, Open Show, All Contacts, and then select View Blocked Contacts. It's a simple path once you know where the setting is located. If you're following along while watching, it may help to pause on each screen and confirm you're in the right place before moving to the next one. That can make the process smoother, especially if you're using a desktop browser with multiple account sections visible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your blocked contacts in PayPal.